Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Open it up. Sorry for the noise. This is a loser unboxing, and now I am becoming more and more and more and more and even more proud of loser unboxing. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. So what is loser unboxing to begin with? I used to, I like these things. So there was one time I bought a new thing, maybe a face powder, and then I did a unboxing and open it up because I'm so happy. And then I start to understand that there is that's something like 10 years ago. There is a trend on internet that unboxing and companies give money or they are sponsored unboxing. So I was thinking, gosh, I am so miserable. I am such a loser. Other people get sponsored to do unboxing, and I do not get sponsored. So kind of sore. So I call it loser unboxing. And later on, I got a sponsor one or two times, and then there is just not as much. Well, it is also joy, but there is just not that much deep, profound, touching joy when you spend your hard-earned money to buy something. Oh my goodness, I think this is such an immense joy. I kind of not so much in it is good to have free stuff to get sponsored, but there is something so deeply profound happiness, fulfillment when you spend money to buy something, and your connection with the commodity is so much deeper. So I am very proud to present you another loser unboxing. I bought it. Nobody paid me. And now I will be very proud to make these loser unboxings. You know the difference? Now you see Amazon is live. Instagram is live. YouTube, you go live. Facebook, go live. Everyone talk about their products and with a product on their side, selling things. Yeah, it's like you go to farmers market. Not farmers market. Farmers market, the farmers plant it, and it's different. It's like you go to flea market. All this wealth. Now it's a flea market. Go to internet. Go to Facebook, go to YouTube, go to Instagram, go to any social media, Twitter, whatever, and on social media, it's the flea market, and they sell things anyway. So I am not selling it. I am not making any money, and I'm sorry, Wesley. I'm sorry. Every time when I show something, I was thinking, gosh, people will see, oh, I didn't use it. This must be a cheap product. Don't buy it. Anyway, it actually looks like sales. Anyway, this is a loser unboxing. You buy it or not has nothing to do with me. I spend money. I'm proud of what I have bought. And I searched online. Why do I buy it? It's because, okay, we damage it. It's okay. And it comes from, I think many years ago, when every summer I went to France, and they have what is Nivea, and there was one time I saw Vaseline, and I like Vaseline. It's just a very simple name. Look at it, the color. And this is a chapstick, and they have 4 colors. Ooh, very light. I like it. Very, very light. Very, very light. When you have a dark, and they sell something like you buy 4. You can buy 4 of them, which is very much less expensive. 4 of them is almost like this is $8 or $9, and you buy 4 of them, the same thing, different color tone, something like $11 or $12. I do not buy it. I like to buy less, because you buy 1 less, you love it more, you use it just right. If you have 4, you only have 1 mouse, right? Why do you need so many? Do I make any sense? The marketing, that's all about marketing. The economist, they figure out what we think. Behavioral economist, they understand why we spend money. We do not get into your trap. I buy 1 and I get the best value of it. This is more expensive by 1, but I like it so much more, and I use it. If you have 4 things, your heart will part. Okay, let's talk about some psychology thing. You have 4 of these. Each share a quarter of your heart, and this one get 100% of my heart. How much joy I get? This get so much more value of joy, and one of this is more expensive than if you buy 4. So you know you are treating yourself, you are spending more money, and you are it makes it dearer, and even dearer by taking 100% of your heart. Do I make any sense? Buy more is wasting more, my opinion. Of course, if you buy, it's different. Toilet paper, of course, you buy more because it's a premium product, right? Toilet paper, and something you buy more, but a lot of other things you really do not need to buy more. Anyway, this is just this random blah blah blah. Let me take a picture of myself. Yeah, every time when I use it, the battery is off. Can you? Okay, let me see. I put it on my lips and see the color. Oh, not too bad. I do not have a mirror, but I kind of can get it. Okay, I will take a picture here. Okay, yeah, anyway, tomorrow morning I will do, when I put on lipstick, I will use this. I love chapstick, tinted chapstick, and it feels really very moisturizing. And that design, that color is good. Anyway, you have a beautiful, beautiful, oh, I'm almost falling asleep. Beautiful, beautiful evening. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye.